Welcome to the Swisocert. We have enabled practical solutions for your business. We will help you to improve your business and processes in short time.
Standards in agriculture and food industry.
The European Union legislative body and large retail chains, at the global level, have set up new rules and standards, which ensure additionally controlled quality of goods and services for their customers. This group of standards is called global standards, and their goal is to provide quality and safe products. The standards in the food industry are becoming more and more strict and demanding. Today, the inspection of a product is not limited only to the processing facilities, but is also required checking of planting material and production process. The implementation and application of standards should ensure compliance of production processes with relevant legal regulations, increase food safety in primary production and provide a safe product to customers. Swisocert Group is your global partner that will help you understand and meet the requirements in food and agricultural production. Visit our website swisocert.com and you will find out which is the most famous and most used international standard on the market of agricultural or food products today. How can standards help you to plant, nurture and grow a healthy crop for harvest? When the issue of introducing and applying a standard in agricultural production, the first question that requires an answer is, what is the significance and benefit of the application of records and the adopted standard? Today, producers are required to have control over the entire process of agricultural production. It is necessary to record the pre-sowing actions taken on the land, every production process before the plant is planted. It is important to control the origin of the planting material, record all operation for agricultural land improvement, and the use of chemicals from beginning to the final unprocessed product. One of the first prerequisites for having a successful farm is keeping accurate records. Keeping detailed farm records is critical when making important business or planning steps for your future business. Not only is it bad business practice not to keep records of your farming activities, it can also be illegal if you don't keep your records properly. Records have a huge part in achieving safe agricultural production and products. And it is very important to be able to look back and see the full history of a product from sowing to delivery. Controlling and monitoring the use of chemicals is mandatory in order to comply with food safety and environmental regulations. Records of pesticides and used chemicals are absolutely necessary for the safety of food and workers, but also is a legal obligation in order to have proof of the application of used chemicals on demand from inspection.
GFSI standard in agriculture production.
The Global Food Safety Initiative sets global food safety standards and provides certification that proves products have passed rigorous food safety standards. As an example, GlobalGAP will serve as an internationally recognized standard for agricultural production, which aims to achieve safe and sustainable agricultural production for the benefit of farmers, retailers and consumers worldwide. Farm certification according to the GlobalGAP standard guarantees the control of your processes with the aim of proving the continuous quality and safety of agricultural products. GlobalGAP represents globally accepted rules of good agricultural practice. Manufacturers who implement and certify global GAP requirements receive a GlobalGAP number that they display on their products. In order for a farm to be certified, independent control by accredited certification body must be provided. Farm must record and keep all records of processes which are implemented to ensure the safety and traceability of products. Efficient and consistent record keeping is necessary for a successful audit. A universal rule should be noted: the simpler and more precise records you have available for the auditor, the faster and easier the process will be. Implementation and certification according to GlobalGAP requirements is possible for all agricultural organizations regardless of size and region. Swisocert Group has developed simple and practical generic solutions to enable fast and simple implementation of the GlobalGAP standard for small and medium-sized enterprises. Leave the standardization process in the hands of a specialized company with many years of experience in providing consulting services in standards implementation. Welcome to the Swisocert Group.